Good morning students. Today we are doing next topic of chapter 18 wastewater story, that is alternative methods of sewage disposal. So now you can see in this animation, first of all we are discussing about sewage disposal system. So this system collect the human excreta and store it in a hole or a pipe and later direct it to a sewage treatment plant. So you can see in this animation. So after this, in the absence of a proper sanitation network, people can use some other mechanism for sewage disposal. So what are the alternative arrangements of sewage disposal? Like septic tanks, chemical toilets, composting pits and vermi processing toilets. So first of all we are discussing about septic tanks. So what are septic tanks? Septic tanks consists of a small sewage treatment system. These are suitable for the places such as hospitals, isolated buildings and cluster of houses where there is no sewage, and it consists of a cemented tank as you can see in this animation with 3 chambers, and the waste is decomposed through the bacterial activity and the wastewater is allowed to seep into the soil, and we should plant eucalyptus tree along with the sewage pond as they absorb the wastewater rapidly and they release pure water vapors into the atmosphere. Again, I am telling you about septic tank. So septic tanks, they consist of a small sewage treatment system and these are suitable for the places like hospitals, isolated buildings and the cluster of houses where there is no sewage. And what is the and it consists what? It consists of cemented tank with 3 chambers and the waste is decomposed through bacterial activity, and it is suggested that we should plant the eucalyptus tree. So we can ask in one word also that which type of trees we should plant it along with the septic tanks. So what is the answer? That is eucalyptus tree. So we should plant eucalyptus tree along with the sewage pond as they absorb the wastewater rapidly. Okay, and they release pure water vapors into the atmosphere. So after this we will discuss about the next alternative method, that is vermicomposting toilets. So what are vermicomposting toilets? They uses chemicals to disinfect human waste and remove its bad odor. So vermicomposting toilet, you can say that it is an innovative design in which earthworms are employed to convert the human feces into the vermicompost, and it is a simple hygienic and uses less water. Aeroplanes and trains, they usually have the chemical toilets. So here you can see in this animation that yes, it is a system that convert the human waste into the organic compost and the usable soil. Here you can see in this animation. It is another method of clearing human waste. It is done by the process of composting pits. So when the microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi and macroorganisms such as earthworm oxidize the organic waste to break it down into the essential minerals. So this was regarding vermicomposting toilets, and it is a process which involves the earthworm which treat the human excreta. So this process is the low cost, and moreover the entire human waste is converted into the vermicompost. As you can see in this animation how this process is going on. So now after this we will discuss about the next, that is biogas plants. So here you can see that these are the alternative arrangements for the sewage disposal. So after this, the waste from these toilets flows through flows through the covered drains into a biogas plant for the generation of biogas and biofertilizers. So you can see here that this method is commonly used in villages to dispose waste, and in this method human and animal excreta are flown through covered drains into the biogas plants, and microorganisms break down the waste and produce biogas. So biogas has an importance, has great advantage. It is used as the, how it is used, you can see again. It can be used for heating, cooking, running heat engine, generating mechanical or electrical powers. So this was regarding what? This was regarding the alternative methods. So litter and waste cause sanitation, havoc at public places. This become common when exhibitions and fairs are conducted. Okay. So this was regarding alternative arrangements for the sewage disposal. Okay, thank you.